Hello Tech Explorers, thinking about deleting your InVideo AI account? Don't worry, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. Quick question, have you ever had to delete an account before? Let me know in the comments below. First, head over to the InVideo AI website and make sure you are logged in. Once you are in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon or username. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open your account settings. In the settings, scroll down and look for the account section. You should see an option for Delete Account. Click on Delete Account and a confirmation box will pop up. Confirm your decision and just like that, your account will be deleted. And there you have it. You have successfully deleted your InVideo AI account. If this video helped, make sure to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.